Today in this video, I will show you how to mount the demo board to the gimbal. Okay, if you order a gimbal from us, normally you will receive a package like this. And I'll show you what's included in the package. The first thing, of course, is the gimbal. And one accessory package will be included. First, let's get these screws. These are the copper standoff. Okay. Need to put the demo board right here, and you can you see. Take close. There's some holes here. You will fix the demo board with the screws, and you can see that you can move the demo board like this. It's up to you. Okay, the demo board is already mounted on the gimbal, and for the copper standoff, we normally will use the white screw to fix it, and for the demo board we will use black ones. And you will attach the end of the copper standoff to the aircraft mounting plate. And one thing you should notice that you can see there's one arrow here on the gimbal, and this direction should be the same direction as the lens. This direction. Okay, and for this gimbal, you will notice that the container box is separate. And we have another type of gimbal like this 10x zoom camera. You can see the container box is fixed on the demo board, and in this case, you will just need to mount the standoff. And this is the package comes with the camera. This for standoff. Just need to mount on the demo board. This end with the screw, and this end you just need to attach to the aircraft. Very easy. Okay, one last thing. Normally we will attach the gimbal to the aircraft like this. This end attached to the aircraft mounting plate. But some clients will ask, if I use the plane, how can we mount the gimbal to the plane? In this case, you can mount the gimbal upside down onto the plane like this. You see, this mounting method is available too, and for this 10x zoom camera, like this. Both is okay. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to send us an email or call us. Thank you.